Look, this is a mangosteen tree. What do you notice?
I noticed it's small fruits.
Yes, because it's just beginning to grow. Oh,
What else do you notice? You can look closer. You can look closer.
The ones that are big, that are bigger.
What about the ones that are bigger? What do they look like? Hmm? Keep looking. Keep looking.
They look like they're getting bigger and bigger.
Okay.
ano raw it looks like?
They're getting bigger and bigger. So can you
Oh,
describe?
okay.
Describe. What do you see? Describe the mangosteen fruit. What do you notice? Kuya?
Even though how
That's
small
all
it
I
is.
can notice.
Huh?
That's all I can notice.
That's all you can notice.
How about, is there anything wonder about it? I wonder. Oh wait, it's Elle's turn. Elle, come here. What do you notice?
There are more colorful flowers.
Oh, as they grow bigger, they get more colorful, right?
What's the color if you remember?
It becomes more colorful and it turns into the color.
You remember what color is it?
Yeah,
When it's big?
yellow, I think.
It's what? Kuya. Kuya. What's the color of the mangosteen when it's big na and ready to harvest?
Oh, I know now.
How about Kuya? Do you know?
Do you remember?
No.
I remember now. Purple.
Good. Very good. Purple.
Oh, I wonder. What about I wonder, Kuya? Oh, look at this one. Lex. Kuya Lex, look at this one. Whoa. Look.
Oh, that's the flower.
Look.
I wonder why it has flowers.
Well, all fruits start from being a flower. Look, Kuya. Look up. Look. That is a rambutan. Remember rambutan tree? Oh. So
Okay,
that
can
one.
we focus on the mangosteen first?
Oh, diba? Everything
Okay.
starts from a flower. That's why it starts from a flower like that one. Oh, then when the flower gets fertilized, then it becomes bigger and bigger like a tree. Like a mangosteen.
What else do you wonder about it, Kuya? What else do you wonder?
That's all I can wonder.
How about you, Elle?
I wonder. I wonder what.
You wonder why what? Look at the small See that? That's a small spider.
Yeah.
Anyway, what do you wonder about the Mama, may spider ha?
Yeah.
I wonder why. I wonder what they looked like when it was still closed, because it looked like it was closed.
Yeah, and I found the answer to your question. Look.
There, when it's still closed.
Look, Kuya, come here.
Oh,
Look, when it's still closed.
that's how it looks like when it's still closed.
Me, I wonder how long it will take from this state to opening up and then to
Becoming
flowering
like
like
that.
that. How long does it take? I wonder.
See?
Until it grows into a big fruit ready for harvest.
Mm-hmm.
How about it reminds me of? What does it remind you of, Kuya? What does the mangosteen tree or fruit remind you of? It reminds me of
I know what I'm drawing. Orange.
a what?
It reminds me of a steel orange.
A stale orange. That's a good comparison, yeah. How about you, Elle? What does it remind you of?
It reminds me of
It reminds you of what? What, anak?
Like this.
Mm-hmm.
It reminds me of a candy. It's having a lollipop and it's on top, and the candy's on top of it.
Yeah. Anything else?
No.
Me, it reminds me of water lilies.
Oh yeah.
What about you, Papa?
Definitely not a water lily.
And the fan? It reminds me of a fan too. What
It
about
re-
you, Papa?
It reminds me that there are other fruits there that are also mangosteen. Okay?
Okay.